Hi guys, my name's Danielle Roberts and I'm the global makeup artist for Urban Decay. So we're starting this neon skull look by priming our eyes and then taking the wired palette. On each eye, I'm building a neon look, starting with the warm oranges and pinks and lining the waterline with a really vivid blue. Then on the other eye, I'm using all the lovely kind of greens, purples, blues to build quite a contrast on each eye. Then taking my Perversion fine point pen, I'm going to create a winged eyeliner effect on each eye. Then using our new Lash Freak mascara to really boost my lashes and give them 23.6% more volume than my natural lash. And then we're going to create the brows. So using the all-nighter setting spray, I'm going to mist my brush and then take the shades from the wired palette again. So on this brow, I'm going to make it quite purple and then give it this lovely neon pink head. Then on the other brow, I'm using that teal colour again and then going back in and giving it a little bit of a head with the shade Slow Burn. Then to give it a cartoonish feel, I'm going to outline the brows and give it some hair stroke. Now taking one of the neon green shades from the palette, I'm going to apply it to the tip of the nose, then take my Perversion fine point pen and create the skeleton nose. This should just be spiked at the head and then rounded at the bottom. Then applying the same teal I used for the brow, I pop that on and then start to build the watercolour neon mouth. For that, I'm just using one of my flat shadow brushes and doing spikes across the top lip and bottom lip, and this will give us the base before we start to go in and do the detailed work. Once I've got that on, I'm taking my Perversion fine point pen again and giving the mouth some real detail. I'm starting by carving out the cheeks and giving it a real kind of skeleton-esque mask feel. As you can see here, by going underneath the real mouth line and taking it up into your cheekbone, you'll get a real definition that gives it a realistic look. Once I've done that, I start to build little lines in between all of that watercolour work that we've done, and it creates the look of teeth without having to do anything too strenuous. Then I'm putting on some of my Stay Naked the Threesome in the shade Rise, and this is just given a little bit of a contour and colour blush moment. I used the highlighter as well to pick out the definition in the face. Now of course we need to set this look down, so I'm using my all-nighter setting spray to lock it in for 16 hours. And there you have it, a really simple watercolour neon skull look using wired.